FlexChia pool, aka Flex Pool, is getting ready to launch their Chia mining pool, so you can start signing up for future updates. Welcome everyone, Rabid here. If you haven't yet, please smash that subscribe button, like button, all that good stuff, and we'll get on with this. Last week, if you remember, or if you've seen it, we did do this little video here on Chia mining pools as well. I wrote a little article on my website about it. I'm still waiting to actually get my free Chia, because you are going to need free Chia when it does come to plotting to pools. But before we get into any of that, FlexPool did have a little announcement here regarding their Chia pool. So you can now sign up for Chia pool development updates on our website. From what we have seen, the initial release will require development and testing it before it's functional, so please be patient. We will let you know once we are close to opening, and joining will not be restricted. There will be an opening event to reward the first few who farm with us. FlexPool is currently the largest Ethereum mining pool in North America. Remember, they're not saying the largest Ethereum mining pool. Obviously, we know that's like the Chinese one and Ethermine. They are the two largest. But this is for North America. And we will offer Chia farmers a professional pool they can safely farm Chia on. Although we are not developing a plotter ourselves, we've heard that plotters are in development that will allow you to sequentially swap out your solo plots for pool plots, allowing for minimal loss once pools are released. We hope that you will choose to mine farm with FlexPool for many years to come. Now, what they're talking about here to swap out your solo plots to your pool plots is because you will not be able to use the Genesis plots that you do plot currently right now on pools, because you're going to have to use the new portable pool plots, and they are on smart contracts. There are a few other articles out there that is saying it takes almost 2 or even 3 times longer to write over top of your old plot, so that could slow your plotting process down quite a bit, well, 3 times slower. But again, you could delete some, save room, and then plot on top of that drive. So maybe delete 1 or 2, depending how many plots you do a day. You might want to delete those and then plot them per day instead of saving or doing like 3 times slower plotting process. Again, that's just what's coming out. These programs are still in development, and no one really knows 100% for sure. That's just some of the rumors out there. All links will be in the description. I am going to actually sign up myself, because I am going to be testing Chia mining when the pools do release, and I am going to be using FlexPool. So they are a legit pool. They do mine. I mine on Ethereum through FlexPool, so we do know they're legit. There's a lot of pools. Let's just actually have a look how many pools there actually are. We are on mining pool stats under Chia, and looks like FlexPool is in second. Obviously, we don't know what's what. They weren't here a little while ago, so it's nice to see them actually on mining pool stats now. But there are a lot of Chia mining pools here. Look at them, like a lot. So ultimately, who knows where everyone's going to end up. Like I said, myself, I'm going to use FlexPool. I do encourage you guys to use FlexPool as well, because ultimately, once you start plotting somewhere, you do not want to keep swapping around everywhere. But you can do that, though. You can move your plots, the new portable plots, once it does come into play. It just will be like a 30-minute cooldown in doing so. Plus, you will have to pay the transaction fee, which I am still waiting for. I do not see any free Chia in any of my balances anywhere. We are supposed to get, go back to my article here, about 0.001 Chia, which covers the transaction fee. You are going to need the transaction fee to start plotting 2 pools. That's just to cover that. But I do not have mine yet. You are supposed to get it when you put in your wallet address at the faucet@chia.net. Again, I will have a link to this blog in the description below. So I'm going to sign up right here with rabidmininghotmail.com. So I just signed up, so I am notified for updates whenever they do come out. I encourage you guys to do the same. All it is simply put in your email address, click the little captcha button, hit subscribe. I am subscribed, and now I will stay up to date for when things come in. I did see a Reddit post from FlexPool. They're hoping for around the 15th for this to start coming into play, but it does take a lot more testing. Going backwards just a little bit, try and touch up on this. There will be an open event to reward the first few who do farm with us. I added the do in there. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'll try to get more up-to-date information on this when it does come available. I imagine if you do sign up, you will get that information yourself. if you do the update thing. But I will keep you up to date on the channel here, so remember, hit that subscribe button. Don't miss the updates coming up for anything. And yeah, good stuff. So we are good to go. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Rabid out. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider watching one of these other videos, hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button. We do a live stream every Sunday, and Discord link is in the description as well. Thanks everybody again, and Rabid out.